Swiss fries, homemade honey mustard on garlic.
I think if I ate fat Sal's again, I would keel over. I'm gonna wear my hair up today.
Don't play games in the mosh pit. It's a pop punk Christmas. It's a pop punk Christmas. Hey Santa, how you been? How you doing? Thanks so much for the My Chem reunion. This year I don't know what I'm doing, but if I don't get tickets I'm suing. You and me could have a pop punk Christmas. I can find my binder of burnt CDs. Wait, I think I bought Punko's Christmas. Punko's everything on my wish list. You and me could have a pop punk Christmas. Sitting fireside in a Glamour Kills hoodie. Reindeer don't play games in the mosh pit. It's a pop punk Christmas.
I need to calculate how much of my time is actually spent sitting in the car waiting for Jace to be ready. You'd think it would be the other way around. Jace is just gonna drop me off at my mom's so I can hang out with everyone for the day, and then he's gotta go to work.
What are you doing, filming me?
We've had some trouble with the family. You know when you just get together with your whole family and it's like there's trouble, arguments and stuff? Always happens. So I'm not sure what we're doing today. My mom and I might take my nephew and do something without my brother. I'm not sure yet. I have to get over there and assess the situation. I am the oldest daughter, so I am the one who is like the mediator in the family, and I usually make all the problems go away somehow. And yes, I'm in therapy for that as well. I usually just diffuse the situation, but I don't know, man. I'm not feeling good either because I started my period yesterday and it is not going well for me, my friends. I am in pain, I am unwell. Anyone else when they PMS, just like their boyfriend or husband, just give them the ick nonstop, like everything he does today. Like he got back into bed 3 times when I was like trying to clean up the house, and it gave me the ick.
I give you the ick.
Yeah.
What a nice thing to say.
Well, I love you.
This time?
Huh?
What did I do this time?
Nothing. I was just talking about when you got back into bed. I know it's irrational. Do you still like me?
Yes.
That just gave me the ick. You saying no.
I didn't say no. I literally said I like you.
Yeah, but you said you like me, but your tone said otherwise.
I don't think so. It's a conspiracy.
Am I annoying?
No, you're just nuts.
Who won? You won? You did win.
Is that a question?
Morning.
Bonjour.
What?
It's French. Bonjour.
Don't start. It's too early for you to be wilding out like that.
Bonjour.
I haven't vlogged in a couple days because there's some family drama happening. And yeah, what can we say about it?
It's out of my hands. So that's you. That's on you.
I don't really know how you would describe what happens when my family gets together, but it's like we can't all be together. There's always something happening. One member will be flying home early on their own. That's their choice. They snapped a little bit and then decided instead of apologizing, they'd get on a plane. So everyone else is doing great. I think we're still gonna try to go to Disneyland and see. My nephew's having the best time of his life. He loves it here. we made gingerbread houses yesterday and they looked horrible. And
You should have never done those without me.
I know. As I was gluing them together, I'm like, this is a Jace thing. They were bad.
But you're an artist.
I could
So
do
that's
the
why
decorating,
but I felt like the decorating what I saw was the construction looked all right. It was the decorating to me that
now
was...
you're gonna shame me for my decorating. First of all, they give you a big ass icing bag, and it broke open on top. So every time I squeezed it, it was coming out of 2 different places. I was not even giving it my all. I had horrible cramps. Who's this boy? Oh my goodness, he loves his walk.
Then go pick up and say come back, pick you up, and then go to the thing, or do you? Like, how long do you think it's gonna take your mom's?
I am Cornholio. I don't care. Whatever you want to do.
Did you hear one word I said?
Whoa, what's that smell?
What smell?
Smell like gasoline. You don't smell that?
Yeah, I do.
That's not the car, right?
No, I think it's outside.
Okay.
You got that. Your spider sense is tingling there.
I know, I told my mom yesterday too, I could smell like pee at her house, like she was cleaning her rug.
Yeah, you're like one of the Guardians of the Galaxy or something.
No, I swear, every time that I'm on my time of the month, my scent and my taste is weird.
Like a wolf. You're a tracker. You can track any scent.
I can.
I know. It's unbelievable.
You know, like when someone has an accident in the house, and I'm like, I know someone pooped in here. It's somewhere.
I know.
And it's always somewhere in the house.
It's incredible because I don't smell it. And I wouldn't say I have a bad sense of smell.
I think I need to win an award for this.
I think I have a keen sense of smell, but you're picking up stuff I can't even, I don't even remotely smell.
That smell of gasoline hit me in the face. I was like, the car's gonna explode. I broke a nail here, and I broke a nail here. I think from putting my hands in the hot tub last night for so long. I've been taking why do I always want to say my grandson? I'm taking my nephew to the hot tub every night, because he loves it, and I was soaking my hands because they were so cold.
Do you think that has something to do with the nails breaking?
It does, because every time if I am in the shower for a long time and I do my nails after, it's so much easier to take them off. We're going to my mom's. We're gonna go take my nephew to Candy Cane Lane somewhere and look at Christmas lights. Probably go to the hot tub, eat some spaghetti. Maybe I could do that. I wish I would have dressed a little bit nicer than my dad's Bass Pro Shop hoodie and my sweatpants. I posted our paparazzi video.
You did?
Someone
Which
said,
one? When I was taking the video?
Yeah. Someone said, I don't know why, but I can't take you seriously when you look mad or annoyed. Isn't that all the time?
I can take you seriously when you're mad and annoyed. I got a thing or two to learn from that person.
What are you talking about? You know, sometimes, like, people on my YouTube comments will tell me that, like, I bully you.
They say you bully me?
Yeah.
I don't think you bully me, do you?
No. I think that the way that we talk is just, like, funny, and sometimes I say, like, that's my sense of humor, is to, like, poke fun. Yeah. But I never do it in a way to, like, actually upset. We do it back and forth to each other. Right? Like earlier on the phone.
Oh yeah, that was funny.
Jace answers the phone like this. He's like,
what up?
What up?
What up?
And I was like, what was that? And then I hear him talking, they're talking about music, like, what, is your friend recording a song? That's what it sounded like.
Yeah, he's working on it too.
Yeah, and I hear him talking about, he's like, he gets like this cool guy voice on the phone. He's like, what up? Well, just bring the electrics in the second verse and
Just because you
it'll
don't know
sound
the
bigger.
just 'cause you don't know the jargon doesn't mean
I
I'm
know
trying
the
to be a
jargon.
Cool guy. I'm literally there's no other way.
I'm
to
just saying
explain
it's what you sounded like, but then I made fun of him after he got off the phone. I'm like, what up? And then he picked up his phone and made fun of me for how me and my bestie talk on the phone, because every time I answer the phone when she calls me, I'm like, hello?
Hello.
And what else did you say?
I'm humiliated. I'm so humiliated.
That's not how we sound, though. You said it funnier
What do you
earlier.
say? I'm humiliated.
Say, I'm humiliated. That's humiliating.
That's humiliating. Oh, that's so humiliating.
Me and Kay have a funny way of talking to each other, but it's our inside jokes. It's not what up.
Well, how do you know that's not our inside joke?
Because I know you.
You don't know.
I've never heard you say that in my life, and then you're like, what up?
What up?
You know what I heard you say not that long ago when you were talking to someone?
What I called a boss? That
No.
one?
That too, but aren't you supposed to turn left here?
Yeah.
No, you were on the phone with someone and you were like getting ready to hang up and you said late and you hung up.
I didn't say that.
Yes, you
You must
did.
have misheard me. I've never said that in my life.
You said late.
I
Yes,
did not
you
say
did.
late. Why would
See,
I say
that's
late?
what-
I'm not late. I'm never late.
No, that was like
I'm always on time. I'm
a
like Ja
90s
Rule.
thing.
I'm always on time.
It
Why
was
would
like
I say late?
never ever bring up Ja Rule.
It's Ja!
No, why would I
did
make
not
this
say.
up?
I think you
Why
misheard
would I
it.
pull this from my deep subconscious?
I think you
Because my
misheard.
older
Maybe
brother
I was
used to
saying
say it.
wait, and then they hung up on me.
No, you're like, all right, late.
I did not
Like
say
you were gonna say later, but you left off the R. It'd be cool.
There's no chance. I've never done that. I've never
You
said that.
for
in my life.
sure did.
I did not.
All right,
that sounds
late.
absurd. I've never done that. What? Makes no sense. I would not say that.
You've definitely heard it before.
What That's how I'm gonna start answering the phone when you call me now.
I'm gonna start answering you, hello. Or I'm gonna start saying what up when I answer the phone. What up?
I know. Cool.
What up?
See? Now all of a sudden you think it's cool?
I don't think it's cool. I immediately when you said what up, did I not crack up immediately?
I know, because it's cool.
You know where it started was when we went on that road trip to get your uncle's car, and like years ago,
Yeah.
and we like
Did we film that?
no, but I made it. Remember how bad my anxiety was then?
Yeah.
And we got home, I made a video like talking about how bad of a drive home it was for me because of my anxiety. And the person commented and was like, I feel so bad for Jace. I can't believe like he'd stay with you after this road trip. You're so ungrateful and all this stuff.
Yeah, no, I'm alright, everyone. I'm okay.
Isn't that so weird, like what people pick up on from like a 10-minute video?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I've never felt that way, but
I mean, if you felt
people
that,
People live in different realities, you know, so what is
Yeah.
bullying to them or what's mean to them?
who even knows at this point? Look how pretty the sky looks right now. How can you be mad? How can you be typing a mean comment on YouTube when the sky looks like this? You know?
What?
Aren't those pants cute on them?
Mm-hmm.
They do? Good.
Well, on the force of
You can look at the
Look at that. Oh, toss the train. Look at that. It's just so...
We are getting the star treatment here. We got candy canes. Look at that.
oh my, the bridge. Look at those decorations.
Yeah. Oh, Coco hot tub.
Dirty moose.
Oh, the minions.
No, no.
At this,
One shoved in the mailbox.
What do you think, Grayson?
good.
Look at the rain.
Good. I like this one the most, I think.
Hey Santa, how you been? How you doing? Thanks so much for the My Chem reunion. This year I don't know what I'm doing, but if I don't get tickets I'm suing.